Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to embed YouTube video in Google Slide. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. For this you need to open your presentation and go to the slide where you want the video, and then go to the top menu and click on the insert and click on the video. A new window will pop up and here you need to paste the URL. For this you need to go to the YouTube, and for example I'll be selecting this video from my channel. For this you need to right click and click on this copy link address, and now click inside the search and Control V to paste it and hit enter. Then you will see the preview of the video. You need to click on that, and here you will see that insert button. Click on that, and here you can mute the video and can adjust the size and rotation from here, and you can also adjust manually by dragging this video and move it to the center wherever you want it. And even you can add some shadow effect. Click on this and select the color of your choice, like this one. Here you can see that, and even you can set the play time. For this you need to set the start time. For example, you want to start it from 0.1 to 0.1 and you want to end it that, and when you play it, it will start from the 1.101. So this way you can easily embed YouTube video in Google Slide. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.